Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Clara and today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of my Play by Sephora. I was waiting for my lure box so that I could do them together, but I haven't received it yet and it's getting late on the month, so I wanted to go ahead and do it. I have not opened my box yet. I opened the box because it's hard to get into it, but I haven't looked at my products yet, so let's get into it. So this month, everything came in this little bag, and it's so cute. Every month it comes in a different little bag. And this one says, make it snappy. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so the first product is by Purity. Purity Made Simple. And it's a moisturizer. And I've never used a Purity moisturizer. I use their cleanser. And I also use like a clay mask that they have, which is really cleans your pores. But I've never used their moisturizer. This is nice for traveling, and if it's something that I'm not going to use on my face, and I always use it on my neck and chest area, but it doesn't go to waste. The second product that I'm getting is a Buxom lip gloss, and this is in, it says plump up the volume, and this is in a nice little peach color, and the shade, let's see if we can see what the color of the lipstick is. It doesn't say the color, it just says full on lip polish and Celeste. So the shade is Celeste. So let's see. Okay, it looks very sheer on me, but it looks like a beautiful lip topper. It's got like very, very small glitter. And I just dropped it on the floor. Can you see it? It's very shiny. Very pretty. So I do love the Buxom Lip Plumpers. I don't feel like it makes my lips any bigger, but I feel that it plumps them enough so that the lines on my lips disappear. So my lips look nice and full, but they really don't look any bigger. The second product, the next product that I received is by Dr. Dennis Gross. And it says 5 wrinkles while you sleep, ferulic and retinol wrinkle recovery peel. I have used this product before. They give you 2 of them. And normally what I do is I use it like twice a week. After I cleanse my face and make sure that there's no residual makeup, I use one of these pads all over my face except the eye area and my neck. And then I wait like 30 minutes before I put any other skincare product on. So if you do have sensitive skin, make sure that you read the directions as to how often you can use it. You can't overuse these products. It can give you very dry skin, but it does a great job of exfoliating and getting rid of your, dry patches and things like that. The next product in the bag is by Kiehl's, and it's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate with Vitamin C. And I do like the Kiehl's skincare. There we go. It's a great line of skincare. So this is enough to use a few times. So it should be good for any dark spots I have on my face. And vitamin C is very good for wrinkles also. So looking forward to using that. My next product is Makeup Forever HD. And when I'm looking at this, it looks like it's like a BB cream. It says a weightless skin tint that blurs imperfections and protects skin. So it's Ultra HD Perfector, and it's SPF 25, which is great. So this is something that will be really, really nice for the summer. In the summer, I don't like to wear very heavy foundations. I live in Florida, and you feel like your face is melting off when you wear something very heavy. This definitely seems like it has a nice coverage. You can see it right there. It looks like it's a good match for my skin tone. And I look forward to using this. It feels really nice on the skin. It feels very soft. Doesn't feel sticky. It gets absorbed right in, and it looks like it's not standing on top of my skin. It looks like it sunk right in. So I can't wait to try this. It may be a very good product for the summer. We'll see. Okay, then they also included a little perfume. They always include a 6th product on your in your bag, and most of the time it is a fragrance. And this is my Burberry blush. I don't think I've ever smelled this one before. Oh, it smells really good. Very pretty. Definitely something that I would wear. The bottle. Look at the bottle. The picture of the bottle. It looks very nice. Very, very nice. I don't know how expensive this is, but it smells really good. So I think that's it, guys. I think those are my 5 products. The Kiehl's, the makeup, the moisturizer, the peel pads. I'm really looking forward to using this. And the Buxom lip gloss that I dropped on the floor. I'm always dropping things. When I'm putting makeup up in the morning, I spend half of the time looking for things that I drop on the floor. My beauty blender, my brushes, it's crazy. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me. Like I mentioned before, Play by Sephora is $10 a month. And there's no contract. You can have it for as long as you want, and you can cancel it anytime that you want. So it's $10 plus tax. And I'm always very happy with the selection that I receive every month. It's fun. It's fun to try new products. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.